Finally, a sign of life. And yep, just as I suspected, I had to have that secondary battery no matter what. So what I did was actually I rigged a 6-volt power adapter at 1 amp as a secondary supply to back up the primary 7.5 volt 2 amp. So let's see what we get. Hear that old Connor hard drive spinning up. And there we go. Nice fast boot. Portable settings, turn the brightness up on the screen. Oh yeah, much better. Sound. Oh. Let's see, when was this machine last used? Volume creation date 1991. Modified March 14, 2005. That was the last time this machine presumably worked. Motor. Microphone. The heck? BBS. Genie, EasyLink, Dow Jones, Delphi, CompuServe, microphone. What is this? Let's open it up. Appears to be a terminal emulator of some sort. Yep, it is. Terminal emulator. Go ahead and quit out of that, and there we go. That's all it was. Now, since I'm probably not going to use this machine much, I can't justify the cost of rebuilding the battery. So what I'm probably going to do, instead of using 2 power adapters, I'm probably going to make a small modification to the circuit so it only has to run off the 1 adapter in the rear. So I'll continue this restoration video when I make that modification. So that's all for now, YouTube.